What up, y'all? Hey, a couple of my subscribers came up here and they asked me, I'm privileged that they asked me to come and test ride the bike that she wants to buy. And I'm gonna make sure that it ain't, you know, it ain't spitting and it ain't, you know, no leaks and all that. Man, the brakes are good. Good Lord. Yeah, these brakes are good. They got the road closed down over here. Somebody had an accident. Oh, I see you. But yo, I'm here to test ride this ultra limited that she has, right, that she want to get right here. And I think she's gonna end up getting. It's a clean bike. Definitely a clean bike. Only thing I know she's gonna want to do, she's kind of tall, she gonna want to change these bars out. But other than that, the bike is smooth. Man, I'm just grateful, man, that people that's watching the channel and felt comfortable enough to call me. And my boy BP Bentron that worked with me to Daytona, Florida, told them, you know, they knew where I was from you know, this area here in Black Gold. So BP told them that he knew me, and they reached out, and I told them, BP, give them my number. And I was gladly to come up and meet with them up here at Black Gold Harley Davidson. That's why I say, anytime you in town, I don't mind. I don't mind at all. But yeah, this bike runs smooth. It's not an M8, it's the twin cam. Oh, and it'll get up and go. It's got a 103 on it, and she said that's all that she needs, and which is that's cool. You know, as long as she's riding, that's all that matters. But yeah, so I'm here to test ride her new bike. Hey man, you just don't know, man. I'm grateful. I have met great people doing YouTube, and I meet them all the time, even going to church, because I'm a church kid. I'm a PK kid. Y'all been a PK kid since I was born. My dad been preaching since he was 17. But this twin cam that she's getting, it runs well. It's clean, Black Gold. Always keep their inventory on their used bike really nice. We're gonna open up a little bit, see what it does. Make sure it ain't running hot, you ain't got no leaks. Oh, this 103 will run, man. This 103 will run. And I told him, and I told him, Dale, that's his name, if she wanted to upgrade the motor a little bit, all she gotta do is go with a Screaming Eagle 110 on here, on this twin cam. But I don't think it have a cam on here. If she just throw a cam in here, I think she'll be good. But if she's trying to upgrade the motor and all that, she can go to the Screaming Eagle 110 on this this V-twin here. But this boy is nice, man. I mean, the paint job is really clean and everything. Like I say, she's tall, so she's probably gonna want to change the bars, because I know if your hands down here like this, your hands will go to sleep. You know, all the blood just come to your hand. So that's why I got 12-inch bars to kind of keep my arm up high, kind of level on my bike. And yeah, I think she's gonna be well pleased with this bike right here. It sounds good. I think it got the Screaming Eagle exhaust on here. Head and eyes, baby. It sounds really good. I ain't gonna even lie. And I think it probably got just the right amount of horsepower for her, since she's brand new. And then she probably won't get anything done right now, maybe the bars, but I think she's just gonna enjoy the ride, y'all. Riding season is here, and I think she's just going to enjoy the ride. And this is a great bike, and I think she'll be happy with it. I think she'll be happy with it. She would be really happy with this bike. Yeah, it's a nice bike. Yeah, she's gonna be happy with it. Hey, you want me to put it back over here? Preload, baby, preload, keep it low. Look at it, preload, yeah, baby. But yeah, that's gonna be it, y'all. I just wanted to do this short run. They wanted me to ride the bike, test it out, make sure that the bike is good, and I think she's gonna be happy with the limited, ultra limited, y'all. She's gonna be definitely happy with the bike, y'all. So yeah, it was a good ride, great horsepower for her. I think she's gonna be happy, well pleased. Look at it, no leaks or nothing. Black Gold be doing their thing, man. That's what I like about y'all. That's why I love y'all, man. That's why I love y'all. But man, we're gonna make this sale real quick, y'all, and we'll get up with y'all. This is Tammy, y'all, up from Shreveport, Louisiana. She is finna ring this bell right here, y'all. She has bought her brand new bike. Yes.
We would like to welcome the Black Gold family on her new Ultra Limited. Let's give it up for Tammy.
That sounds great.
Congratulations again. Have fun. Have fun. Yeah. Yes. I know you can't wait to get it to Shreveport.
Yes.
Nice. This is her new bike right here, y'all. Congratulations to Tammy with her new bike, man. I appreciate all y'all, man. But man, we're gonna get out of here. Make sure you click the like, share, and subscribe button for me. Until next time, baby. The next grind, y'all already know. Y'all have a blessing. Peace.